Adding a map on Elementor is nice and easy. So you first visit the page you want the map to be on. You then select the place you want it to be. Say here, for example. You then type in map and drag maps over. You then type in the location you would like. So, for example, okay. And you can zoom in closer to destination or zoom out. You can also decide the height of the map, and you can also make it full width across the whole page with no gap. You can also edit the style by giving it a border or by giving it background overlay. If you wanted a black and white map, you might apply a contrast filter along with the saturation filter. You can also choose where the map is displayed, either on desktop, tablet, or mobile.